day at the Supreme Court as justices will be hearing those oral arguments in a case that stems from President Trump's desire to end birthright citizenship. And we want to go live to Scripps News national correspondent Joe St. George. While this case is tied to birthright citizenship, Joe, justices are making a decision on something else today.
Yeah, it's a bit complicated, but boy, oh boy, is this potentially consequential depending on what the Supreme Court issues. It may end up being the biggest blockbuster decision of this entire term, certainly the biggest case facing presidential Trump's power going forward. My photojournalist can pan off, give you a sense of what we're seeing here at the United States Supreme Court. You can see there's a light crowd gather. I've certainly seen bigger crowds, but they're vocal, and we expect the crowds to grow as we inch closer to the 10 a.m. Eastern Time hour when oral arguments are expected to get underway. Now, at first glance, you could easily think this case is about President Trump's desire to end birthright citizenship, the 14th Amendment. As you know, the president wants to end birthright citizenship for those that come to the U.S. illegally. The 14th Amendment says anyone born in the United States, subject to the jurisdiction thereof, are citizens of the United States. But we don't expect the justices, as you noted at the top, to rule on the constitutionality of President Trump's order in this case. This is why this is important. This case is very much today, at least, about, that's a legal fight's going to come later. This day is very much about injunctions. How many mornings since January 20th have we talked about another federal district judge issuing an injunction blocking parts of President Trump's agenda? It's been very common. In fact, roughly 40 injunctions against the president have been issued since January 20th. That's a modern record. For perspective, President Biden had about 30 over 4 years. President Trump has nearly 40 in a little more than 100 days. The president has said repeatedly that these injunctions are hurting the country. He often calls these judges radical left judges. Now, the Supreme Court has been itching to weigh in on this topic for years. Today's the day, and there's really two outcomes. Outcome one is that they keep the status quo, and we're talking about likely more injunctions over the next 3.5 years getting issued, or the Supreme Court could curtail, limit, raise the threshold for what federal district judges can do. If that's the case, that would be a huge victory for President Trump and dramatically change presidential power and his ability to implement his agenda. So another big day here at the Supreme Court.